Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand one of the most important concepts, that is Java architecture. You can see the diagram of Java architecture on the screen. So let's begin. As a developer, we always start by writing our Java program inside the editors like Notepad or Edit Plus. We call that Java program as a source code, and that will be in a human readable format because that is written by the humans. Once after we finish the writing of Java program inside the editors, we save this Java program in the file format with .java extension. We also know that humans only understand text language and machines only understand binary language. To convert human readable format Java program into machine language, we need one process, and that process is done by the command prompt. Now we will see what happens inside the command prompt. Command prompt will perform two operations. One is compilation, that is done by the compiler, and another one is interpretation, that is done by the interpreter. As we give .java file as an input to the compiler, it will check for the syntax, then it will check for the rules. If everything is okay, then it will translate .java file into .class file. If any violations occur during the compilation, then it will throw compile time error. This .class file contains byte code, and this is also called as intermediate code, which means this code is neither understandable by the humans nor by the machines, and we give this .class file as an input to the interpreter. Interpreter will read this code line by line, and it will execute the .class file with the help of JVM. Once after the execution, it will translate .class file into machine language with the help of JIT. Once we get the machine language output, then it is given as an input to the operating system, and this operating system will convert machine language output into human readable format output. Now we will see what is JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, which means it consists of library files and utilities to run the Java program. It contains JRE, JVM, and JIT. JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which means it provides environmental setup to run the Java program. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is responsible for executing the .class file. And JIT stands for Just in Time. It is responsible for translating the .class file into machine language. We also say that Java is a platform independent language because JRE is present in all the electronics devices, so we can execute the .class file in all the electronics devices which contains JRE. That's why we call Java as a platform independent language. If you found this explanation helpful, then please follow this series. Till then, keep learning. Bye.